What if I told you, a random decision you made today could be worth millions tomorrow, and you wouldn't even know it? One kid did exactly that, bought Bitcoin at $10, then forgot about it. When he remembered, it was already a fortune, trapped behind a forgotten password. The hunt that followed, it wasn't just for money, it was for a second chance at destiny. And no, he didn't call his grandma asking if she remembered his password, although, maybe he should've. It's 2013. Meet Jake, a broke college kid scraping by on ramen noodles and student loans. One night, between cramming for finals and binge-watching YouTube, Jake stumbles across a video, The Future of Money, Bitcoin. Skeptical but curious, Jake takes a gamble. He buys 100 Bitcoin at $10 each. For a grand total of just $1,000, money he probably should have spent on, actual food. He saves his coins in a digital wallet, creates a complicated password, and, like any distracted 20-year-old, he forgets all about it. Fast forward a few years. Jake graduates. Life moves on. Bitcoin, it skyrockets. Meanwhile, Jake is still arguing with his microwave about why it won't heat his coffee evenly. One gloomy Monday in 2021, Jake's mindless doomscrolling is interrupted. Bitcoin hits $50,000. A flood of memories crashes in. That night, that wallet, that password he didn't write down anywhere. Panic sets in. 100 Bitcoin, now worth over $5 million. Locked away, behind a wall of forgotten characters. The clock was ticking. Every moment he hesitated, the dream of financial freedom slipped a little further away. Jake had a choice: accept defeat, or fight like hell to get back what was his. And trust me, what happened next? It wasn't just a battle against technology, it was a battle against time. Jake became a man possessed. He tore apart old hard drives, dug through forgotten email accounts, reconstructed his entire college life piece by piece. Every clue mattered. A random childhood password, a favorite song lyric, the name of his first pet, that he once tweeted about in 2011. Each wrong password attempt brought him closer to being locked out forever. The stakes weren't just financial anymore. This was about believing in himself, proving that some moments are too big to quit on. Also, he really didn't want to explain to his future kids that dad once lost millions because he used password 123 feet. One final guess. One final shot at a future he never thought he could afford. Jake closes his eyes, thinks back to that night, the music playing, the girl he had a crush on, the weird pizza topping he ordered. Access granted. In that moment, everything changed. Jake had just unlocked not only his wallet, but his entire future. Jake's story is more than just a crazy Bitcoin tale. It's a reminder. Sometimes, life offers you a ticket to greatness, but only if you're willing to chase it down, no matter how impossible it seems. Jake didn't just cash out and party. He invested smartly, built a life of freedom, and now, he's proof that a forgotten dream can still become your greatest victory. And if you're sitting there thinking, man, I wish I could have a story like that, good news, it's not too late for you. In fact, building your first big win might be way easier than you think. Start with just one email. Yup, just one. Click the next video, and I'll show you exactly how to go from zero to profit with just one email. No millions needed, just the right strategy, and your journey starts now.